Here's a little project my friend and I worked on that'll probably continue in the future, and it consists of a delta wing with a hole cut out in the middle and an extra propeller. The goal in doing this was to make an aircraft that could hover, and we kind of achieved our goal. The aircraft requires 2 pilots, one to control the plane and one to control the center propeller. I eventually plan to upgrade this with controls for the center propeller so that it can hover more accurately. Ready? I was very happy with how this plane turned out, as we had built it in around 30 minutes, and usually when we do this we run out of time and the plane goes straight into the ground. You know how I was talking shit about gyrocopters?
Mm-hmm.
I think this is pretty much the same thing.
Yeah, it is.
Except it actually has a lifting body, that's the difference.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna get up to altitude here and then you can go ahead and,
Full thrust. No.
no, not full thrust. Alright, so go ahead and adjust a little bit if you can. Alright. Right there. A little bit more. Not much. Okay, look at that.
Whoa.
There's not really any wind right now. It's just sort of hovering right there. Whoops, that's too high, it's too high. Ooh!
Youch. I think that wraps it up for the day.
As you can see, we still have a couple things to work out, but this was definitely a step in the right direction. Look to see more videos of this design in the future. As always, thanks for continuing to watch my videos as my upload schedule becomes less and less frequent. I'll try to upload more the rest of this year, and I'll have more updates with my 60-minute plane.